Hello and welcome to hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done. Each and every week I plan out my chores, appointments, things to do, errands, all those good stuff, and I do my best to get it all done. Hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done is hosted by myself, Crafty Girl Chronicles, and it's a way that I plan out all the things that I've got to do and do my utmost to get them done. I don't stress if I don't get it all done. I really don't. I just spread it over time, such as days, weeks, and even months. I really have the need to plan because it keeps me grounded, it keeps me productive, and I get things done. I see results. So this week is the 1st of September, of course, today Monday, and it's gonna be winter soon, but never mind. I've just got to endure it. You know, it's one of those things. We have our 4 seasons in the UK, and my favorite season is spring, summer, mainly summer. So today I have planned from the 1st of September to the 7th of September, and each and every week I do have my compulsory clean, and I do follow the Fly Lady cleaning zone system, and it works for me. This is my compulsory clean every week. I do all the beds. I bleach the kitchen, bathroom and toilets. That should have been toilets. I don't know what's wrong with me today. What's going on? So it's bleach kitchen, bathroom and toilets. That's what it should be. Well, I'm only human. I do get it wrong sometimes. Right. That's I do all my hoovering, and I do my budgets as well. For the zone cleaning now, it's zone 3. I've got the hallway to do, the shoe area, the skirting boards, the linen, shoe and coat cupboard, thrones, the bookshelf. I'll do a bit of decluttering as I'm cleaning as well. If there's anything that I just don't need, I put it aside for donation. I'm doing my filing this week and trimming Archie's face, which I don't have to trim Archie's face because he's having a groom at the groomers while he is away with them. He's back today, later on this afternoon, and I can't wait to see him. Did miss him, but I needed a break as well. Anyway, Tuesday, fold and pack away the clothes on a Thursday, and Saturday I do that. Monday, Wednesday and Friday I wash and dry all the clothes. Monday, Wednesday, Friday and Saturday I walk. I do have a walking group on Wednesday, and I do walk earlier on before that group walk. So I really get my walk in on a Wednesday. So it's Monday, Wednesday, Friday and Saturday I have a long walk. I want to incorporate a bit of ironing on a Thursday, because Thursday's usually quiet for me. I normally sort of gear myself up for my movie night and that, so I kind of take my time and relax off for a Thursday. So I want to try and incorporate a little bit of gardening and some ironing, maybe about 30 minutes on each. 30 minutes on the garden, 30 minutes on some ironing. That's what I have been doing for the ironing anyway. That's going pretty well. Monday, Wednesday and Friday I do my budgeting, and Saturday I like to craft all day, but seeing as we've had the summer break and stuff, the summer weather I should say, I did manage to get out for the past couple of weekends Saturday I went to Covent Garden, which was really nice. It was heaving with people, but it was just nice to get out anyway. Went out and had some fresh air, had a nice walk, went down the embankment and walked there. It was really, really nice. And then I came back home. Sunday it's church, and Wednesday and Sunday I have a foot soak. Now that I have my group walk, it's after my group walk I do my foot soak, and after church I do my foot soak. I haven't penned in anything or penciled in anything for next week, but I'll be doing that sometime this week as I go along. Everything is subject to change here. Nothing isn't set in stone, and I just take my time and do my chores throughout the days. As you can see the list here, but I do it throughout the day. Sometimes I get quite a few of my compulsory clean in on the day. On a Monday I usually get a few bits and pieces done of my compulsory clean. So that is it for this week. Now hashtag plan fun, get things done is an open collaboration. You're welcome to join in. All you have to do is plan what you've got to do for the week and then upload. If you just hashtag plan fun, get things done, and also tag me at Crafty Girl Chronicles in your title, I would really be grateful. This is just a little start to autumn, beginning of September, so I thought I would use the oranges again. My 2 washi tapes. This is finished. This is on its way out. Might as well chuck it now. Yeah, that's finished. Those 2 I used. I used this planner sticker book, and also I used my Happy Planner Basics sticker book. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Here's to a blessed start for this week. Take care of your good selves, and I'll see you back soon. Bye for now.